YouTube was good. We here. We got another video prepared for y'all. About to go to work. Right now we not no high-end barber, so we gotta keep doing the car vlogs. But you know the cuts come off fire. I got a nice little tutorial for y'all. I don't know what kind of tutorial I'ma do, but we're gonna get a tutorial in for y'all. A nice educational, you know, for educational purposes. We're gonna get that in for y'all today. I don't know what the video gonna be about, but it's gonna be about something. It's gonna be about something. You know, we about to go to the lab. That's where we about to go. You gotta go grind in the lab before you could go do the things that you want to do in life. We're not in Bali. We're not in Switzerland, enjoying the breeze right now. But we're about to put the grind in so we can get to them places. Like always, we're gonna start off by combing out the client set, make sure everything is nice and, you know, prepped, ready for us to cut down or debulk, as I would say. And I'm gonna just show y'all one side of this tutorial just to keep everything nice and simple, just to keep the video, you know, simple and short, to get the message really out there to y'all. But right here we're just gonna start by initiating that first guideline. You can either do this with a pair of trimmers that you have or a pair of clippers like so, like I'm using right now. Right now I'm choosing to use my Cocos over my Coco faders. I call them faders. Most people call them just clippers. I don't know why, because I call trimmers clippers. I don't know. I feel like clippers is just what you used to cut hair with, and trimmers, they got trimmers in, you know. But yeah, lately I've been choosing my Cocos over my wall scenes for some reason. I don't know. I feel like they actually cut a little bit better. So it's what I've been using. I feel like I don't have to keep going over and over and over again on the same exact spot just to you know, get the fade that I want. But after we set in that first guideline, what I do now is I kind of because we fading down in this video, we're using my fading down technique. So what I do, I set in that first ball guideline with the faders, and then I go in and I set the second guideline with the level all the way open, and then I just fade down from there, from top to bottom. From top to bottom, the level will be all the way open starting out, and then we'll slowly notch it all the way to close, which will be all the way up, which will be closed as we get to the bottom. But that's all we're doing right now until we move on to the next step. Alright, right here we're taking on 1.5 guard, and right here y'all should all know mine by now if y'all stay on my channel. But if y'all new, but look, most of my people, y'all should know mine. When you take the guard down, whatever you use to take the hair down with, you're gonna use the guard one higher than that to debulk, to take everything, to take all that bulk up out of there when you start your fade down process or you're fading up. So we're taking on 1.5 guard, and we're just knocking off all that bulk. We still following through, we still closing the level. We started all the way, even though, you know, I still like to follow through with my processes, even though I know it's probably not gonna be all the way open. That's gonna take off all that bulk up top. So I just, you could just skip the process and go all the way close. Whenever you feel like they have cutting, that's when you know you're putting in some work. But after we do that, we're gonna look, keep in mind that we going inside of the same shape that we started, that we put in with our first and second guideline. But after that, we're gonna move a step down, and we're gonna go with our one guard all the way open. We're gonna do the same exact thing. With fading down, it's kind of like fading into nothing. You really can't see for real. You just gotta have you just gotta have a feeling for it, man. It's just developing a feeling for it. But as y'all about to see, man, this about to come out blurry as I don't know what. I feel like fading down, the fades come out way blurry for some reason. But look, y'all gonna see the transfer. It don't look like nothing right now. Well, it didn't look like nothing a couple minutes ago, but it's about to look like something. It's about to look like something. I promise y'all that. y'all gonna slowly see the transition. Matter of fact, it's gonna slowly come and it's just gonna hit you like that. It's just gonna happen fast. Y'all seeing it right now. I'm seeing it. If you got the Barber, I'm seeing it. Now we got on our half guard and we're just doing the same exact process. But halfway through, when we start closing our level halfway through, we're gonna start using just the corners, just the detail. And as y'all can see, man, it's coming out fire, blurry. He has a nice little grain of hair texture to him, you know, but it's gonna work with any hair texture. I do the same exact stuff on straight hair, coarse hair, semi-coarse hair. That's not even a thing, but look, we gonna make it a thing. Semi-coarse hair, we gonna call it like curly hair, something like what I got. Curly, coarse, whatever. And as y'all can see, we're comparing the sides. That's the back, that's the side, the other side, and here go the blurry side right there. But look, we gonna move on. Now for the lineup. The lineup can make it or break it when it comes to your client. Most people worry about the lineup. Other than the fading. I don't know why. Everything mattered to me, but look, the lineup is making or breaking it. And then look, with the lineup, you want to start in the middle. You don't want to go, you don't want to start on the right side and then transition yourself to the left side. You want to start in the middle. You want to pick the weak side. I have a video on strictly lineups. It's one of my previous videos, but look, you want to start what I did. This client in particular, he don't really have no strong side or weak side. He has a pretty full, strong, even line. He's blessed with a very good lineup. So we choose to go with our most dominant hand, and we chose to go to the right side, because that's mostly what we do anyways. Most people weak side be on that right side. And then we're gonna slowly edge up to the left side. And remember, before I moved on to the left side, I created that corner box. That corner box that y'all can see. And this right here, this is all line preparation and stuff like that. We don't need no pencil, no nothing right there, no enhancements on this client, nothing right now. This just all natural. Straight hitters, all natural. Gotta have your trimmer set right. Man, let me know if I should come out with a video on setting your trimmers. A lot of people struggle, I see, with setting their trimmers to make them hit like this. You know, I really make all my trimmers hit, to be honest. I ain't gonna lie to you. It don't matter what trimmers it is, it's gonna hit. Some trimmers do cut hair differently than other ones, depending on how thick the hair is. If it's straight hair, if it's loose hair, if you cutting down with a 1 guard and then you trying to line it up, or you cutting down with a 2 guard and trying to line it up. Certain trimmers do work depending on your blade. It's not the trimmers, it's the blade, just to give y'all some knowledge. But look, all we're doing is creating that boxed up on that left side, and then we're gonna add our little C cups. And right here, it's like magic. It look just like magic, man. Creating that C cup, nice, crisp, sharp. And when we create our C cup, we're using the edge of our trimmers. The edge of our trimmers. All you gotta do is line preparation, and then have your trimmers hitting, and your trimmers could do this too. It's simple. It's very simple. Very simple. Now we're gonna add our colored enhancements. We're gonna use black with a little bit of brown in there. If you add too much brown, it's gonna be too brown. If you add too much black, it's gonna be too black. Really, me, I just pour black, brown, mix it up, shake it up. Whatever color it come out, it come out. But I know it's gonna be close to that color that I want. It's hard to get the color that I want, so I'm thinking about going to I think they got like the goat barber or something like that. He got like a nice waterproof enhancements, and I think they had somebody else on Instagram I had seen with like a nice waterproof enhancements. But we looking to change that. I'll let y'all know if I change it or not. But look, now we setting our pencil, getting it all prepped up, and as you can see, the line is best words I could put it is flush. The line is flushed out. So all we're doing is just making it pop a little bit, adding our enhancements, adding our pencil, and this is the final product right here. Man, let me know how this video turned out. Let me know if y'all liked it. Make sure y'all like, share, comment. Make sure y'all leave a comment, man. Y'all never leave no, well, some people leave comments, but look, leave a comment, man. This is a fire haircut, line and straight, crisp. And it's HYB. If you're not handling your business, then what you doing? And we out.